Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and picking the published or draft video you want to caption. Once done, confirm audio clarity and final edits so captions match timing. If you already have a transcript, upload a SRT or VTT file. That saves time. If not, enable YouTube's auto-generated captions to get a first pass. Make sure your account language and video language settings match to improve accuracy. This first step gets you into the caption editor quickly and correctly. Next, go into Subtitles and select Edit to review each caption segment. You will want to fix timings by dragging cues and correct punctuation, speaker names, and any misheard words. This improves comprehension and searchability. Use the keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation and split or merge lines so each caption fits on screen without blocking visuals. Also adjust character length per line and pacing so viewers can read comfortably. Precise edits make captions accessible and reduce viewer frustration. Finally, save and publish your edited captions. Choose to overwrite auto captions if your version is better. Download the SRT or VTT file for backup and to reuse on other platforms, or enable community contributions for translated captions. If captions are out of sync after upload, reupload a corrected timed file or use YouTube's timing tool to shift captions. Make a small time offset and recheck. If accuracy issues persist, retranscribe the problematic segment and replace only those cues to finish cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.